How to download Fortnite on PC and laptop. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to download Fortnite on PC and laptop. So now let's get started. First of all, go to the Epic Games website, then click the download button in the top corner, and the Epic installer will start downloading. Once the download is complete, open the file to install the Epic Games launcher. You will see the installation location here. If you want to change where the Epic Games Launcher sets files, click the Change button. Otherwise, click the Install button to proceed. If prompted to allow changes, click Yes and wait for the installation to finish. And then, if you see the prompts again, be sure to select Yes. After the installation, the Epic Games Launcher will open. You will need to sign in by entering your email or using one of the other login options. If you don't have an Epic Games account, enter your email to create one and click Continue. Again, you might need to allow changes. At the top of the launcher, select the search bar and type Fortnite, then select Fortnite from the list. Click the Get button on the side. Next, go to the side menu and select Library, then click on Fortnite. Here, you can see where Fortnite will be installed. So this is how we download Fortnite on PC and laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.